Okay guys, this is the access point from the stairs. There's another door back here that we may be able to access to bring the equipment in. Furnace, as you can see, sits over here. Watch your head. Floor is a little higher here, and so it makes the ceiling a little lower. We're looking at replacing the furnace, possibly the air conditioner. So we would need to redo the 3/4 PVC, the 2-inch PVC for the venting, a little bit of PVC for the drain line for the furnace. You can barely see the switch there for the furnace. There's the gas shutoff. If you could replace that. Worst case, if we need a 8-inch bottom box, we're going to be 60 total inches. We've got about 62 before we hit that supply line up there. So it's going to be a tight squeeze. If we can get away with a 4-inch box, that would be better. Currently this is a 20 by 25 by 4 filter box. We can reuse that as long as we're using the 4-inch bottom box. Venting goes up and over, and it goes up over here. Both of them go outside up there. We've got an old humidifier control. Don't see a humidifier on this side. Maybe one on the back side. Let's go take a peek. Yes, we have a bypass humidifier. So this is the back side. Obviously we've got access to both sides. There's just a little luggage in the way. It can be easily moved.